Welcome back everyone, hope you're all keeping well. This week we're going to be making some broccoli and cauliflower cheese. Here we have the ingredients for the cheese sauce. So we've got 100 grams or 4 ounces of grated cheese. This could be cheddar, or you can mix it up with some blue cheese if you want a stronger sauce. 500 mils or just under a pint of milk, that's full fat milk. And we have 2 ounces or 50 grams of butter. And then just a large tablespoonful of plain flour. Also, to add a bit of flavour, I like to grate in a bit of Parmesan cheese just to give that stronger taste to the sauce. So let's head over to the hob now and we'll start putting this together. Here we have a saucepan. We're going to put it on high heat to begin with. We're going to drop in the butter, let that melt. There we have the butter all melted. We're going to turn it down to medium heat now. We'll add in the flour. Give that a mix around. So all the flour now is dissolved into the butter. Now we can add the milk. And stir that around. And now we just want to heat the milk up. So when the milk really starts steaming, then we can start adding the cheese. You can see now the mixture is heated up. So now we can start adding the cheese, a little bit at a time. Allow that to mix in. Keep stirring, because you don't want this to catch and burn on the bottom, so just gentle stirring while you put the cheese in. And you can feel it's starting to thicken up. The rest of it in. There we go. You can see it's all dissolving, melting in, making that lovely cheesy sauce. As I say, you can use 50% cheddar, 50% blue cheese if you want a stronger flavour. What I like to do now is I'm going to get some of the Parmesan, just grate a little bit of that in, just to give that extra bit of cheesy, stronger taste to it. Get that. And just not too much, just a couple of grates of it. Let that mix in. And then we have a nice cheese sauce. You can also add just a couple of grains of black pepper to it. Doesn't need any salt because we used salted butter, so I find that's enough. But a little bit of black pepper just to give an extra little bit of flavour. Right, that's the sauce done there. It's quick and easy. We'll take that off the heat now and leave it. Cheese sauce is done. Let's get the cauliflower and broccoli ready. Cheating today, I'm using some frozen. You can use fresh. I've got a pot over there coming to the boil. Once it's boiling, I'll pop these in for about 5 minutes. Don't want to cook them too much because they're going to get continued cooking in the oven. If you're using fresh, probably want to do it for about 3 to 4 minutes. So let's get these cooked and then we'll come back and combine it all together. Let's assemble this together. The broccoli and cauliflower is done, so I'm just going to pour that into this oven-proof dish. Spread it around a bit. Now I'll get the cheese sauce. And we're just going to pour this over. Put as much or as little on as you like. There's no sort of hard and fast rule here. And we're going to put a little bit more grated cheese over the top. And then we're going to sprinkle some breadcrumbs on as well. This just helps give it a little bit of a crunch. So the breadcrumbs, you can buy these, or what I do is I keep a couple of slices of bread in the freezer, so when I want some breadcrumbs, take a slice out, whiz it up on the food processor so you get some nice crumbs. One slice of bread is more than enough to do this. Now we stick that in the oven for about half an hour on 180 degrees or 360 Fahrenheit. So we'll put it in for 20 minutes, take it out and check it, make sure it's not burning. So I'm just going to pop that into the oven now. There we go, there's the dish out of the oven after about half an hour. Cheese is all nicely melted, it's gone nice golden brown, ready to tuck into now. There we go. There's the broccoli and cauliflower with the cheese sauce. Hope you enjoyed watching that. If you've got any questions or comments, put them down below. And don't forget to give me the old thumbs up and subscribe if you're new here. I'll stick another video here and here, the old subscribe button in the middle. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.